the Ozito Power Exchange Worklight. You pick up these Worklights from Bunnings, very cheap. At the moment of this recording, these are around $25, so if you do have the Ozito range of tools, then for $25 I think this is a great addition to your work kit. Very small and compact. This has a free ultra bright, they claim ultra bright LED lights with adjustable focus. You can see the arrow there flooding to the spotlight. You can just switch that to the floodlight. Doesn't really make a huge difference, but I'll show you later on in the video of this in a dark room. Claims 270 lumens of light, which is surprisingly quite bright for this little unit. Just a simple on off button. You can't change the brightness on this. It's either on or off. There's no low, medium or high. Unfortunately, it would be nice if it did have a low, medium, high setting, but for what it is and the price you're paying for it, yeah, I think it's still pretty good. Nice little handle. This does have 7 adjustment angles, so this is number 1. You got number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So that comes pretty handy, pretty useful for most type of work. You're working on your car or you're up in the roof underneath a sink or whatnot. This will come in handy, I'm sure. Alright, we'll find a dark room and I'll show you how bright this thing is. Alright, nice dark room as you can see. I'll turn this light on now. As you can see, that is a fair bit of light. I think this is pretty good. You can see a little bit of light bleeding through the case. Just a thin case, but for $25, I think that is a good little accessory. If you got the Ozito range, then yeah, worth picking one of these up. This is the spot beam, and this is the flood beam. Gives us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.